and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a walkout exercise, and that video is coming up right now. Walkout is one of my favorite exercises. It's plyometric, you don't need any equipment to do it, and it works the whole body like nothing else does. I love them. I love doing them fast. I love getting clients to do them slow. I love giving them high loads. It's going to work your whole body. It's going to work all your shoulder muscles, your back muscles, your chest muscles, your ab muscles, your leg muscles. It really is a dynamic exercise. And personally, if you're working out at home, I think you should throw it into every single workout you do. But let me talk you through how to do it straight away. Right, so you're going to start in my head's cut off there. Let me just move that up for you. Okay. So you're going to start in a stood position, like so. Feet hip width apart. And all we're going to do is called a walkout because we're going to walk out on our hands. Now, you'll see a lot of people, they'll do it straight-legged like so and walk out incrementally. You can do that, but not a lot of people have that kind of flexibility in their hamstrings. And you'll notice that when I do it, I can't get my legs completely straight either. So another way of doing it is just squatting down to the floor if you find that easier, and then coming all the way out to full extension like so, and all the way back. Let me show you the side view. So you're going to start here, come down, all the way out, and all the way back. Now there's a few things to note when you do this exercise. The first thing is when you're at that full extension here, we're not looking for a kind of droop like that. I want you to stay rigid, strong, squeezing the glutes so that your back is constantly nice and flat. And then you come back to a full stand here and you go again, like so. And that is the walkout exercise. It's that straightforward. The only other thing I'd add is it'd be great if you could get maybe 3 sets of 10 into a workout. Take your time as you do them. Over time, you want to see yourself speed it up slowly but surely. But that's the walkout exercise, and I look forward to seeing how you get on with it. See you again soon. Bye!